Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the text to be continuous in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Google Docs app. Here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just have to select the document that we want to edit. Then here we have to tap on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner. And then we have actually two options. One is to go in the top row, tap on the letter A, then tap on paragraph and select this icon. Or we can just use the quick menu and tap on this toggle list here and select this icon again. And now whatever we write is going to be continuous. So it's not going to be set to either right, left, or center. It's going to just flow continuously. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.